What's up, guys? I'm over here at my in-laws. I'm gonna show you a 21-day follow-up from the Expert Weed and Feed Southern Lawn application. So I've only applied that so far. I haven't done anything else. Let's check it out. Let's see the results. All right, so we're looking along back here. We've still got some weeds along the fence area here. But a lot of the problem areas over here have already cleared out. All the weeds have pretty much died. There's still a little bit there sprinkled in, but we've spread some dirt to try to promote some stolon growth. And then along out here, we've got more dark green, thick St. Augustine. Look at that. It's looking pretty good. Still some weeds sprinkled in, so we might come through and do a follow-up application of maybe some image for southern lawns and maybe some more fertilizer coming soon. And then we may follow that up here in another week or two with some more fertilizer, start to promote some more growth. We really got to get this St. Augustine to spread and thicken out. Otherwise, I think that first dose of the weed and feed achieved what it was supposed to do. The grass is greener, the grass has started to come back and it's thickening up some, and it killed off probably at least 50%, if not closer to 75% really, of the weeds that were in the lawn. So I do recommend using that Expert Weed and Feed for southern lawns. You can find it at your local Walmart. Go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications the next time I post a video for you. Stay tuned for more coming soon.